Hi everyone, Jane here at Attrell Toyota here in Brampton, and right now you're looking at the 2019 Corolla LE Upgrade. Now this particular vehicle is in Barcelona red, however it does come available in a variety of colors, and I will list those in the description below, but what I'm going to do for you right now is give you a quick little walk around the exterior, show you as many features as I possibly can, and then I'm going to bring you inside. So starting at the front here, we have this beautiful black grille. You have your chrome Toyota emblem, which does have a gloss covering over it, and that is because we have our Toyota safety sense built right into the vehicle. You do have LED headlights. On the sides here, we have 16-inch alloy wheels, color key door handles. Fuel cap will be on the driver's side of the vehicle. On the rear here, we also have LED taillights. And there you have it, my friends, the exterior of the 2019 Corolla LE Upgrade. Let's go inside. So just before I bring you inside of this beautiful vehicle, I just wanted to show you what your key fob is going to look like. You do have keyless entry as well as a trunk release button just on your key fob. So go ahead and press that unlock button, and that's what's going to allow you right into the vehicle. On the driver's side door here, you have your controls for your power windows as well as your power locks. We do have your power adjustable side view mirrors as well as a heated steering wheel and a windshield wiper de-icer. It is a tilt and telescopic leather wrapped adjustable steering wheel, and it does have tons of audio controls. I'm going to throw the key in here and start it up for you just so everything works. In the center, we have a 6.1-inch touchscreen display, and it does come integrated with AM, FM, as well as Bluetooth, a USB input, auxiliary input, and a backup camera. I'll quickly show you the backup camera. There you are. Just underneath that screen, you have your automatic climate controls. So you do have your temperature as well as your fan and your directional. Of course, all of your buttons just off to the sides. Just underneath that, you have your heated seat controls. This is where you can find your USB input, your auxiliary input, and a charging outlet. It is an automatic transmission, actually CVT transmission in this vehicle, and you do have traction control. And as for the seats, the front seats are beautiful bucket seats, and the rear seat, you do have a 60/40 folding rear seat, and that center seat does flip down, which gives you access to 2 cup holders as well as an armrest. Also keep in mind that we do have the contoured front seat backs in this vehicle. I'll quickly show you those as well, just to allow for a little more legroom from the back passengers to the seats in front of them. So there you have it, everyone, the rear seating of the Corolla. As for cargo space in this beautiful sedan, you do get tons of it. If you're just a daily commuter to school or to work, you could definitely fit everything that you would need. If you want to go on a snowboarding trip and you don't think that your board could fit back here, you can definitely flip either the 60 half or the 40 half down for your folding back seats, fit that long gear, and still have some room for passengers. Or of course, you have the option of flipping both of those seats down. You will eliminate the back seats, but you will definitely extend that cargo space. As for the engine, you are looking at our 1.8-liter 4-cylinder engine. It does come with 16 valves as well as dual variable valve timing with intelligence. Now, not only does this provide you with a really fun ride, it also remains very fuel efficient, sitting at 7.5 liters for 100 kilometers combined on the road and highway. So there you have it, my friends, the 2019 Corolla LE Upgrade. If you do like what you're watching, go check out our YouTube channel because we have tons of videos of all the cars, trucks, and SUVs that we have here on the lot, plus some extras. Also, don't forget to press like, subscribe, and share them with your friends. You can also find us on Facebook, Snapchat, Instagram, and Twitter, all under Attrell Toyota. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great one.